Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sunrit Hajra. Today I will show you how to create Google Slides in Windows 10. To create Google Slides, at first we need to go to Google Chrome. After we have opened it, we have to go to Google Apps menu and we have to just scroll down and there you will get Google Slides and other Google apps. Yeah, it's opening. It will take a bit of time. Yeah, they're ready. So let's learn by parts. At first, here comes main menu. In this main menu of Google Slides, you can switch to Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides and Google Forms. Yeah, we are already in Slides. Yes, it's just reloading. And let's switch to Sheets. Yeah, we are now in Sheets. After we have gone to settings, your screen will show like this and you can manage language and always show right to left controls of course, and templates display recent templates on home screens. Let's turn this on. And offline, create, open, edit and your recent Google Docs files on this device while offline. Activity dashboard. Okay, I'm not interested on this and I think that you should turn this on for offline preview. Now here you can see that the template gallery is showing in here, and so there are so many templates. Okay, and let's hide this. So you have to click on this thing to hide it, and if you want to show them again, and go to settings and turn this on. Yeah, we got it. And here you can see that the blank document or to create a document sign is coming at here. Blank project. And if you hide this thing, so the plus sign is coming in here. Okay. So next comes search button. Using the search button, you can search all over your Google Slides. And then comes recent presentation. Here you can see your recent presentation. For example, I am opening this one. It's loading. Huh? See, this is created by me, all by me, and this is related on the current online education system. Okay, so you can open simply your recent files. Okay, now next comes this one. You can filter that owned by anyone or owned by me or not owned by me. And then comes list view. You can change by the way they would be shown in your screen. So one comes this grid view. This one is grid view and this one is list view. Let's switch to grid view because it more attractive looking. Now here is sort options. Okay, last opened by me, last modified by me, last modified and title. Yes. Okay, it changes the pattern. How will they show? Now then comes open file picker. Okay, you can pick a file from here, any file from your full computer gallery. Now then comes this one. Create new presentation. This is a plus button, but it means create new presentation and choose template. Okay, let's go to this one first. Yeah, it's opening now. Now here we can see all the themes. So this one is the default one. And then comes simple dark. Okay, the name of the themes is coming in the bottom of the theme. Now simple dark and then streamline. These are kind of templates. Yeah, of course, they're themes, but themes or templates are they have a difference. Focus, shift, many themes. Okay, let's start with this. For example, I am writing save food. Okay, this one is nice color. Yes, I have written save food and let's write a sub style. Okay, so I have written a short subtitle as you can see. So you can edit this text. Okay, let's edit the text box. Oh, from this you can make a text box and you can type text. Anything you can type in here. Some meaningless thing also. Now to delete it, you have to just choose out of it, and as I've told you in my recent videos that if you hover over on any button, you will get the button's name and you will able to know that what's the button. Now change theme, apply layout, change background. All these are just like Microsoft Windows PowerPoint 2013. Now let's close the theme and here we are in our thumbnail that from here you can see all slides thumbnail. Okay, let's add a new slide. Okay, it's in same theme, and you can duplicate the slide, skip the slide, but you cannot in this skip slide. When you will open the presentation, the slide will be skipped, but the slide is not deleted at all. Now then comes duplicate slide. Okay, I have told you. You can change the background, solid color, choose an image. Okay, so let's go back and all we have done. So whenever you will use Google Slides, you will always know all about it by your own. Subscribe to my channel and like the video and press the bell icon. Share the videos and the more updates will be coming soon. Thanks for watching.